ISRO successfully tests its cryogenic stage for the flight duration.
Three, two, one, zero.
Full duration flight test of cryogenic upper stage for GSLV Mark III was successfully carried out at IPRC Mahendra, accompanied by his colleagues including Director, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Dr. Sivan, Chairman, ISRO, A.S. Kiran Kumar witnessed the test at IPRC that lasted the full duration of 640 seconds from 5 p.m. The long-duration cryogenic stage CE20 developmental state propellant system test is a great milestone in the country's space history as it is capable of producing a thrust of 20 tons. This is the endurance test of the propulsion stage to prove its capability to withstand the rigors of extreme environments in terms of vibration, shock and low temperature to qualify it for actual flight duration. This is a landmark development for ISRO. We have achieved the complete realization of the cryogenic stage for GSLV Mark III rocket in our very first attempt. To complete engine and converting the engine into the cryogenic stage, ISRO has done 200-odd tests from the beginning. This test is actually the culmination of the long series of tests. The GSLV Mark III flight stage is already getting ready in Sriharikota. We will have a launch of GSLV Mark III in April second half. The completed rocket will take on board the GSLV-19 satellite, which is an experimental communications satellite. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Kindly